thirsty water.
Can you put water inside, Hero? Good job.
Let's take the pen out.
What do you think is going to happen if you take the pens out?
It can stay inside. We are making funny videos today.
Hi friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Sami and today I'm joined here with
Hero.
I'm here with Mr. Hero, and you know what we're gonna do today? What are we gonna do?
Take the thirsty water.
We're gonna do an experiment, and it's called the never leaking bag. That sounds so cool.
Yes.
What do we need? Can you please tell them what we need?
Water, pens, deploy bag, taka.
Yes, good job. Okay, Hero. Now for the first step, we're gonna open up our Ziploc bag and we're gonna put some water inside. Can you put water inside, Hero? Not all the way, okay? I'm gonna do it up to here, okay? Can you put water inside? Good job. Okay, that's enough. Now we're gonna close the bag after you put some water inside.
Hooray!
We're gonna seal it shut so no water can come out. Okay, Hero? Good? No water's gonna come out, right? Okay.
Hooray!
Now for the fun part. We're gonna take some pens and we're gonna poke holes inside of the Ziploc bag where the water is, and then watch, the water's not gonna leak. Okay, Hero, I'm gonna show you how to do the first one and then you're gonna do the next one, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna poke a hole inside the bag. And we can poke it through the other side as well. And when you pick up the bag, it doesn't leak. Okay, let's not make it leak. Okay, Hero. Okay, your turn. Can you do it? I'll hold the bag for you. You poke the hole. Good job. Good job, Hero. Uh-oh. What happened over here? Oh, there we go. You see? It didn't poke. I mean, it didn't leak. Now, there's one more. Can you do it on this side? That was just happening because the pen is thicker from one side. But as you can see, the water is not leaking. Yay! Good job, Hero. Can you give me a high five?
Let's take the pen out.
What do you think is going to happen if you take the pens out?
It can stay inside.
No, I don't think so. I think it's going to leak. Okay, can you take the pens out? See? It's leaking. Look. Okay. That's...
We are making funny videos today.
Thanks for joining us on our experiment today of the never leaking bag. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!
Bye!